The fact that I'm from Sydney, Ohio, which is 30 miles north, makes it very convenient for me and my crew to come over here, up here. Just meeting Joe, the whole team here, just teaching us wash and seal to Grandiflex, Sanitread, metallics, rustic wood, just all the processes we come here to learn. And then you got the actual grinding. And then we got the shop blasting, and there's just so much to learn here, and that's why we came here. It's worth every dollar. You're gonna learn so much in 2 days. For the cost, you're getting all your money back anyway, in product and learning experience. You can't beat it. And I've talked to some of the other guys from out of state. They said they've been to like 10 other different trainings, and this one's probably the best they've ever been to.